Hey, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to week one. This is my introduction video. My name is Sarah Novick. I am a teacher at high school level. I teach at Christiana High School. Go Vikings. And I am a student in the ESOL certificate program. I understand this is a class about grammar. Grammar was not a hot topic for me, mainly because I felt like a lot of the terms you use in grammar were like vocabulary words you had to memorize and then apply them later. And I was not great at that. I was very good at math. I was very good at solving equations. In elementary school, it was all about like the fractions and the decimals and the cross flip switch, whatever, cross multiply and divide. I was excellent at those things, but I struggled with grammar. I just struggled with it. A little bit about me. I have two children. They're 7 and 9. I'll show you a picture in one moment. My daughter will be 7 this weekend, and I'm looking forward to making her a cake. She wants it to be narwhal themed, so that's what we're going to do. Outside of being a mom, which does keep me fairly active, I am a pretty active person. I like working out. I have been doing some gardening, and you can find me running or riding my bike. As far as a picture, this is me. This is actually where I'm sitting right now. I'm in my kitchen, and those are my two children. There they are. All right, looking forward to a rad class this summer semester.